I'm using Mercury's new 15-horse EFI kicker motor right here. This thing's been a sweetheart. I've had it out all year. The speed control is phenomenal. You can hear it kind of purrs right along like a little sewing machine. It's very quiet, extremely smooth. Unlike some of the kickers before, that smooth throttle is very, very important. There's one feature that I like in particular is the big shift knob. I normally troll now with my trolling motor steering back and forth, and then the kicker providing speed. So you see I do have a tail fin steering connector here. It's not hooked up right now. I use that occasionally if I want to steer the kicker remotely. But one of the features I want to get back to is this throttle control. This precise throttle control is really nice. In the past, if you would let go of your throttle, the engine would slowly get slower and slower and slower, so you'd constantly have to readjust. With this new handle, you can see here there's a dial on the side, and I've got it pretty loose right now, so I can throttle back and forth real easy. But once I have the perfect speed set up for trolling, all I have to do is tighten that knob down, and my throttle will stay exactly there. So it's a feature I really like.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.